Hi, everybody, back to our part 2 in the CSS. Okay, I'm gonna share the screen again so we can see what I am doing. Okay, so let's get back here. We had applied the background image to the whole body. Now, note one thing. The image in reality goes around up to this part here, okay? And it repeats. It's an image that continues to be repeated, okay? Until the page finishes. So it's like a tile, okay? Because once you put background image, if that image is very small, it's going to repeat all over like a tile, okay? So suppose that in the case of the body, I don't want to repeat because if you see again, this image is finishing right here around the middle and the rest is covered by the background color. So I don't want this to be like a tile. I want this to be put only once. So let's see what happens with my other CSS if I use still in the body, okay? I go here and I put background repeat. Okay, this is a CSS property, and one of the values is no repeat. That means that the image that I'm getting as a background image, that background texture dot JPG, that image is going to be showing only one time. So let's see what's going to happen now. I'm here and then I refresh, you see, now the image, it's because the image is big, the image covers basically the whole width of the browser, but not the height. Look at this here, it stops right here and then the rest is covered by the background color that I have there. So I'm getting closer to what I had before. Now, as you can see here, in that element, I also have a background color, okay? As also I have another background image inside the table. So how I would code that? Well, I can go in the header, okay, and put inside the header the style attribute and put background color and then light blue. That's the background color that I have for that. And for the table, down below here, you see the table. So I go inside the table tag, always in the opening tag, because you cannot put attribute in the closing tag. We all know that. So style equal background image. And in this case here, background image, I have to have the URL to give to me the location of my background image. It's the BG image. Okay, so there you go. So now if I save this, I will refresh. And there you have. You have the background color on the header and the background image inside only the table. If I could scratch that background image from the table, what I would see? I would see what is behind the table, what is the parent of the table, which is the body, okay? So I would see whatever is in the body. Okay, so I will stop sharing and we are going to stop that part 2 right now. See you next time.